Hi everyone, this is the final version of Bubble Platform game. For the general effect, we implement the FVC pattern. We also implement the constant class by replacing the magic number with the constant. We also create more abstraction by adding the interface and abstract class to enhance the code reviews. We also change the rectangle to the images. So for the design pattern, firstly we introduce the factory method pattern. It's defined to creating different types of foods. It fulfills the single responsibility principle and the open-close principle. Secondly, we introduce the player movement and cleansing strategy pattern. It fulfills the open-close principle. Thirdly, we introduce the segregation pattern for the CSS manager and music manager, etc. It ensures a class only have one instance. Firstly, we introduce the observer pattern. When the UI is updated, the score will change based on the score observer. Lastly, we introduce the state pattern, which allows the player to change its animation based on its state.
Okay, let's start the game. Firstly, it is the info scene. Then we enter the option scene and we can select 8 color backgrounds. Also, we can select our favorite characters. There are 4 players in this game. Before we enter the game, we need to enter our ID. If it is invalid, there will be an error message. Let's input valid ID and start the game. When the player fell down from the platform, then the game will be over, and we can retry the game. When the player is on TV, it can have a 6-second fly. If the player reaches the finish line, it can enter the second level. Players can click the pause button to pause the game, and we can continue. If player can finish both 2 levels, they can load the successful scene, and there will be a pie chart of routes and a score ranking. And click home to back to our start scene. If the time ends up, the game is over and the fail scene loads. There will be your score and game over.